Nowadays, today, I would like to explain a very important topic that everybody faces every day. Solution to reduce road accident. Once I was asked, my student, sir, please show me a single paper of a single date, which does not produce, which does not print, which does not expresses a road accident. And I was sure that I will answer him with the example, with the copy of some newspapers. But when I studied Monday to Sunday, all the newspapers, then I was unable to find even a single newspaper of a single date that does not print, that does not produce, that was without news of a road accident. We are very careless. Now we are in hurry in the heat of hope. We have to go home. So we are driving our motorcycle, our car, etc. very fast. And result it may be that we cannot reach there. We cannot reach our goal. Road accidents are increasing day by day. It is necessary to reduce them. I want to suggest some solution for the problem. First and foremost, we should install cameras on all the roads. Cameras rouse fear among the drivers. They do not dare to violate traffic rules when they are under the eyes of camera. Strict action should be taken against those who overload their vehicles. If a driver is found that breaks the rules of the road again and again, does not fear from paying the punishment charges, his driving license should be suspended or cancelled. While driving, the use of mobile phone should be punishable offense. Nowadays, we can say that some person bent something like that in this style and they drive the motorcycle. They should also care that they should not drive his vehicle if they are under any kind of stress or if they are tired. If I am tired, 90% accidents of the cars happens because the master of the car sleeps in a room or AC room, and driver will have to pass, had to pass or has to pass his night in a car for this point of safety. And so when next day he drives car, accident happens. Finally, the road should be wide, smooth, and there should be drivers on them. They should also be lit with proper light during the nights. Proper training also should be. More than 80% drivers do not know the real signals. What is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of differ? How I have to behave in four ways, four lane roads